Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you another controversial update from Louis Vuitton because starting today, they are going to discontinue one of their iconic, legendary Louis Vuitton bag. Yes guys, this is so surprising. I just woke up to this news today and I knew that I need to do a quick film so I could share this to our family here. So guys, if you want to find out everything all about this news, please make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramirfi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so as mentioned earlier guys, I have just woken up today and saw this news via Instagram at FoxyLV. So thank you so much FoxyLV for sharing this to everyone. So according to her, all of the Neverfulls from leather version to canvas version, so from the classic monogram, the May Ebene and the May Azure Neverfulls will no longer be orderable, or we cannot purchase this via Louis Vuitton or via louisvuitton.com. And she also mentioned that if you wish to purchase this in the future, you would be waitlisted, right? That is crazy news. And then currently what I did was, of course, I tried to double check this information via uslouisvuitton.com website. And I was able to confirm that all of the Louis Vuitton Neverfulls from the leather version to the canvas version, either they are unavailable or cannot be ordered, or there is a notification set that it says they're notifying me as soon as available. So this is a confirmation that unfortunately we could no longer order the Neverfulls in stores in via louisvuitton.com. But FoxyLV mentioned that currently, so maybe they are just releasing the stocks that they have, and the available items at stores are mainly for display. So guys, what do I think about this news, this very unsuspecting news that I have received, that everyone received just for today? Alright, so for our next topic of discussion guys, I would like to share like what are the theories, what could be the main reason why Louis Vuitton is discontinuing one of their most iconic legendary bag, the Neverfull. So the very first one is the, of course, exclusivity. So is Louis Vuitton trying to be Chanel, who is trying to be Hermes, and they wanted to make sure that they limit the number of available Neverfulls on the market and just give it to the, let's say, the VIP clients of LV. Because again, like what FoxyLV mentioned on her Instagram post, that if you wish to order the Louis Vuitton Neverfull moving forward, then you need to be waitlisted. So is this like the start of the Louis Vuitton game, just like with the Hermes? Like, do you have to purchase so many stuff before you are going to be offered the bag? Honestly, if that is the case, it would turn me off with the brand. Also, I would also like to share with exclusivity. I'm not really sure. I think this would go live first before my last Louis Vuitton experience, because when I have visited LV last week to check with my CA what can be done with my ALMA, because the hardware of the padlock is a little bit tarnishing, so that I'm checking what they can do. So I was there, visited my CA, and of course, since I was there, I told myself, why not try to do a little bit of shopping vlog? So when I was filming inside the store, one of the associates from LV, I'm not really sure if he is a CA or maybe what part of the security, but he pulled me on the side and kindly he said to me that I need to stop filming, and he said a little bit of information why I need to stop filming. He said they do have a case right now where someone has actually complained and so on and so forth. They were caught in one of the films inside the Louis Vuitton store. So I'm not really sure if this is accurate or this is the true story of this LVCA stopping me from filming because I have watched one of the shopping vlogs as well of Mel in Melbourne, where she said that it would be her last Louis Vuitton shopping vlog as well. So I'm not really sure when I'm going to publish this one. So I'm thinking, speaking of exclusivity, just like Hermes, they don't want us to be filming inside the stores. Are Louis Vuitton following suit that they want to, make sure, maintain that mystery inside the stores, that they don't want anyone filming, like for example giving the prices and so on and so forth. Then of course, my next theory why they are discontinuing the Louis Vuitton Neverfull is because Louis Vuitton love this game. So they are going to discontinue their very popular bags, and then they are going to re-release these bags. They are just going to make a couple of changes, and they are going to price these bags very, very high. So one example, of course, let me just get her, of course, would be the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch. So from the 26, the 19, and the 15, they have discontinued this one. So I'm sure everyone knows my story. I was able to get my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 26 in stores. My CA has reserved this one for me, and I'm so happy that I was able to get this one. And then after discontinuing this one, they have released the same version, the same look. They have just upgraded the side, so they made this one like a leather vachetta version, and they added D-rings on the side, and of course a chain so that you could wear it already as a crossbody bag. Then of course, they also added on this purchase a toiletry pouch 15, just the plain monogram, and then they are going to charge us very, very high on that bag. So another Louis Vuitton iconic bag that they have discontinued very recently is of course the classic Louis Vuitton monogram bum bag, and now they are replacing this with the mini bum bags. And of course, the mini bum bags, the canvas version and the leather version, they have changed the look entirely, but they are going to price it really, really high. Another one, of course, is do you remember, guys, one of the more famous LV bag, the Louis Vuitton favorite? So they have discontinued this style, and then they have re-released an updated version. So I've seen this one in the bicolor version, and of course the price is so much higher. This is what I am feeling what Louis Vuitton would be doing with the Neverfull. So they are going to discontinue this for a while, then they're going to make certain updates, and then they're going to price it really, really expensive. What would LV do to make sure to update the look of the classic Neverfull? So maybe they're going to add chain strap detail in front, just to add charms. And then of course, by adding chain strap, they are going to increase the price. Remember, guys, the mini pochette, so the exact same mini pochette, they just added a longer chain strap, then they are charging us a very high price. So they may be doing that as well. LV loves adding chains like this, then adding the prices on it. Next changes is maybe they are going to add bag charms to this one. So aside from the LV Neverfull pouch, they may be adding, like for example, what I'm guessing is the round coin purse. So this is very popular, and they're adding this one to most of their bags, and of course increasing the price. And last but not the least, maybe they're going to add the D-rings on the side of the Neverfull so that they could add a strap. So they love this. They would be adding a canvas strap, they would be adding a braided strap, and so on and so forth. So with these changes, they would definitely jack up the price for the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Alright, and my last theory with this discontinuation of the Neverfull, for me, I think Louis Vuitton doesn't want us to think that they are adding so much price increases, because we are constantly watching every move of LV. So one update about the price increase, we are going to release it to our fam here. So I feel that Louis Vuitton is also watching what's happening online. They don't want any more chatter that they have been doing so many price increases, just like what Chanel is doing. They want to hide behind these price increases. So what they're going to do is they're going to discontinue the bags, release new updates, and then they're going to charge us really, really high. So I think that's one of their games, so that they were not going to be blamed for like they are having so many price increases in 1 year. So guys, how do I feel about this discontinuation of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull? and what would happen if, for example, the theories that I have shared to you are correct. So number one, my tip to you is if, for example, you really love a Louis Vuitton Neverfull and you want to really purchase this one, so I would suggest purchase it as soon as you can, just as long as you have the fund. So I would give you and share to you an example. Of course, would be my toiletry pouch 26. So luckily, I was able to get this one before it got discontinued. So yes, so I was able to get this one for a very, very low price, and honestly, until today, I'm so happy with this bag. I used her so many times. I have converted her so that I could wear her as a shoulder bag. So just like with the Neverfull, if you feel that this is going to be a forever bag in your collection, then I suggest get it as soon as you can. Then the next question may be on how I feel with this discontinuation is we need to ask Louis Vuitton, what are they going to discontinue next? Are they going to discontinue the iconic, the legendary Louis Vuitton ALMA bags, or the Speedies, or the Pochette Métis, so that they could possibly make changes with these bags, add chains, and so on and so forth, and charge us super, super expensive. So hopefully that would not happen, but again, we could look at this and see that since Louis Vuitton is on this route, it is also a possibility that they are going to discontinue more iconic legendary bags. If this is the case, guys, if you don't have these bags yet, such as the ALMAs and the Speedies, go get them right away. Especially right now, their prices are still on the friendlier side compared to the newer bags that LV is releasing. And last but not the least, if Louis Vuitton is, wanting to be Hermes, just being so exclusive, catering more to their VIP clients, honestly, it is going to be a turn off for me. I know I love LV, and normally most of my vlogs would be about LV updates. Unfortunately, if this is the case, then definitely I would start looking for other brands. Maybe I need to check more of Dior or Fendi or Celine, and maybe collect bags from these very beautiful luxury bags. So hopefully LV would be thinking more of their strategy on how to retain and maintain our Louis Vuitton family here and not lose us one by one. There, so guys, how did you find our episode for today? Let us start a conversation. Personally, let me know, comment down below, how do you feel about the discontinuation of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull? And what do you think are the theories that I've shared to you? Possibility, or, I'm just guessing all wrong? I would love to hear from you, so kindly comment down. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Premier52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!